My name is Lucas. I am 24 years old. I live in Madrid, Spain. I work from Monday to Friday in an office. I am a graphic designer. I like my job, but I love weekends more. On Saturday morning, I wake up at 8 o'clock. I open the window and check the weather. If it is sunny, I go outside. If it is rainy, I stay home. I brush my teeth, take a shower, and get dressed. I usually wear jeans and a t-shirt on weekends. At 9 o'clock, I have breakfast. I eat cereal with milk and a banana. I drink coffee or orange juice. After breakfast, I go to the gym. I do some exercise for 1 hour. I run on the treadmill, lift weights, and stretch. It helps me feel strong and healthy. After the gym, I go to the supermarket. I buy food for the weekend. I usually buy bread, cheese, tomatoes, pasta, chicken, and apples. I also buy juice and chocolate. At 1 p.m., I cook lunch. I like cooking. Sometimes I make pasta with vegetables. Sometimes I grill chicken with rice. After lunch, I wash the dishes and clean the kitchen. In the afternoon, I relax. I sit on the sofa and listen to music. I love pop and jazz. Sometimes I read a book or watch a movie. My favorite movies are comedies and cartoons. On Saturday evening, I meet my friends. We go to a cafe or a restaurant. We talk, laugh, and eat together. Sometimes we go to the cinema. I enjoy spending time with my friends. On Sunday, I wake up later. I eat a big breakfast, eggs, toast, and tea. Then I clean my apartment. I do the laundry and vacuum the floor. I also clean the bathroom. At noon, I call my parents. They live in a small town. We talk about our week. My father is a taxi driver. My mother is a nurse. They are kind and always support me. In the afternoon, I go to the park. I take a book and sit under a tree. I read, watch the birds, and enjoy the quiet. Sometimes I take photos of flowers and nature. On Sunday evening, I prepare for the new week. I check my schedule and write my to-do list. I make a simple dinner, usually soup or a sandwich. Then I watch a short video or write in my journal. At 10:30 p.m., I go to bed. I feel happy and ready for Monday.